hours later, back at Peppa's house. So, Granny Pig, what shall we have for dinner? I know. How about blueberry pie? Yeah, good idea. Do-de-do-de-do-de-do-do-de-do, making the pie. I think I should take a muddy puddle break. Yeah, let's go jump in some muddy puddles. Yay, this is so much fun. Yay, puddle jumping. Yay, yay. Oh, I think I'm gonna roll around in it. Yay. Oh man, this is so much fun. Rolling around in the muddy puddle. Yay. Oh man, I'm very muddy. I better get cleaned up. Man, Grandpa Pig, you got mud all over the place. And you got mud on yourself. That's the fire alarm. Oh dear. Meanwhile, the next day, back where Peppa, George, and Mommy Pig were on vacation, Daddy Pig was showing them something very special. Family, this is called the Tonica helicopter. Wow, this is cool, dear. Thanks. Now, here are the rules. You go up straightly like this. Wow, we're flying. Hey, I know what we can do. We can sing the Flying Kite song. Yeah, let's do that. Flying high in a helicopter, up above the clouds and rain. Flying high in a helicopter, flying high and high and high. Wow, this is really fun. Yup, I'm glad you liked it. Now, let's go on a very special ride. That was very fun.